How to fix Snapchat notification sound spam. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is use your volume up key to increase the sound and set it to the full list. Likewise, make sure you have an enable do not disturb mode. Launch your settings. Make sure you have an enable do not disturb mode by going to the option of focus. Once you check this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is head towards the option of apps. From the list of the apps, find the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Then navigate to the option of notification. Make sure you have enabled for the option of allow notifications. Likewise, enable for the option of sounds. Then click on the option of show previews. Set it to always. Then you can head back, check in for all these options. Then click on the option Snapchat notification settings and make sure you have enabled for all these options. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now you'll get notification from the Snapchat, or else what you can do is close this, give a fresh restart to your device, then uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat. Long press on Snapchat app, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete, then head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat and then install it. With the solution, your problem will be fixed. This way you can easily fix Snapchat notification sound spam. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.